Hey everybody, so we have a haul today. Just random stuff I've been trying to get that I couldn't get before. So, I tried 3 times on Misfit Market to get the turmeric, so I ordered it elsewhere. So I got my turmeric. I got some allergy medication because it's that time of year, and I've been doing a lot of research because you have to be careful what you take with heart medication and high blood pressure medication. So if you have people in your house on those medications, don't take anything with a D on it, like Claritin D, Allegra D, Zyrtec D. I believe that's the decongestant, so you don't want that. I got 1 can of ravioli. I don't stock a lot of the Chef Boyardee. Try and stock what I can cook, but in an emergency situation. We have some chicken a la king. And I don't know if you all are aware, but grocery store CEOs are warning to buy food before summer or you won't be able to afford it. It's going to get that expensive. We got 2 cans of diced potatoes. We got 1 can of the Glory seasoned carrots. Thought I'd try those. 1 can of red beans and rice. I got 2 cans of the stir-fry vegetables. I got some peanut butter powder. I run out of nuts or whatever, or can add a different flavor to my husband's granola. I got a container of yellow rice, the Spanish style. This is 3.4 pounds and you can get that for $4. I got 2 more jars of the Classico pasta sauce. This is the fire roasted tomato and garlic. And this one is the spicy tomato and basil. And these are the Atlas jars. I do water bath can in these. I've also pressure canned broth in these. You can use the regular mouth lids on these jars. So you may want to save those. I finally found some mustard greens. So my husband loves mustard greens, so I got a can of those. I got tahini. You saw all the chickpeas I have. Tahini's good if you want to make hummus and things like that. You want your tahini. Chickpeas are also good to make falafel, which is kind of a non-meat sort of meatball that you can put into pita for sandwiches and stuff. I got the cheesy tuna pasta. You can use it with tuna or chicken or ham. And I got the chicken fried rice. I got tea bags because my husband likes his tea. He's sick, so don't mind the coffee. I got a 10-pound bag of parboiled Basmati rice, so that'll cook faster than your regular rice, and this is the extra long grain. I really like that, and it's been hard to get. I got some Oyster Crackers. Those are good to make snacks or use in your soups, chilies, etc. I got another can of the roast beef hash. Really like that. And I make my own. I have a video on that with, I've done it with leftover pot roast. It's a good way to stretch your meat. I got some chocolate pudding, strawberry and cherry jello. You can do the puddings with your shelf-stable or powdered milk, so that's really good. You can still do your desserts. I got some Green Goddess salad dressing. Plan on having a garden, so have some dressings for veggies. I got some yellow corn masa flour for tortillas and stuff. I really like the yellow better than white, but it's really hard to come by, and these bags are much smaller than the other ones. You only get 2-pound bags of that. And then I got the instant corn masa for tortillas and such. I got a cookbook just for making like tortillas and tamales and all sorts of stuff with your masas. I got the tamal. This is a creamier, it's a softer, makes a softer type tamale and stuff. So, and I take these and seal and mill them, or vacuum seal them in a bag, and they last for a very long time. Oh, I got these. These are spray bottles for your oil, so you don't have to buy the aerosol oils. Just put your own oil in there and you're good to go. They came with these little collapsible funnels, so that'll save you money, or if you're used to using a spray oil in your baking and air frying and stuff and you can't get it. If you haven't gotten oil, you need to get oil. A lot of countries are stopping imports, exports. China's locking down again. There's a lot going on. Like, there's so much going on. There's too much going on. Just get what you need while you can, if you can. I got some Aaa batteries. And this box is weird. Can't remember if these are the rechargeables. So I get both kinds. Well, I think these are just regular, so these are 20 AAAs. Oh, here's the rechargeables, AA, and rechargeable AAA. If you can get rechargeables, get a few of those if you have a way to recharge them. And then I got a flat of spinach. My husband likes his spinach, and that's been elusive. So, he stocked up on spinach. He's got a little bit of mustard greens. Got him some peanut butter powder, his tea. So, getting him covered in his comfort items. So anyways, I'm going to put all of this away. It is St. Patrick's Day, so I hope you all are having a wonderful green day. I'm going to start my corned beef and cabbage, my boiled dinner. And this is also my Cancerversary, so that's weird. Can't forget that. I've got a holiday to remind me every year. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. Do what you can, get what you can. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.